In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge tasks in Asana. This is a valuable skill that can help streamline your workflow, ensuring that your to-do list stays organized and efficient. Let's dive right in and walk through each step together. First, you'll need to navigate to the Asana website. Open your web browser and simply type in the URL for Asana. Once you reach the homepage, you'll want to look toward the top right corner where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click that. After clicking Login, you'll have a few different options to access your account. For convenience, we're going to use the Continue with Google option. Click on that choice, and if you're not already signed into Google, you may be prompted to select or sign into your Google account. Choose the appropriate account linked to your Asana profile. With your account open, the next step is to navigate to your project. On the left side of the Asana dashboard, you'll see a panel where all your projects are listed. Find the project that contains the tasks you want to merge and click on it. This will take you to the board view of your project. Once you are on your project page, identify the task that you plan to merge with another and click on it. Doing so will open up a detailed view of that task on the right-hand side of your screen. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of this right panel, where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these dots to open a drop-down menu. This menu presents several options related to task management. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Merge Duplicate Tasks. This feature is specifically designed for combining tasks that might be redundant or overlapping, helping you maintain a cleaner task list. After you click Merge Duplicate Tasks, a new window will appear, allowing you to choose which task you'd like to merge with your selected task. Carefully review the tasks presented and choose the one that aligns with your objective. Select it and the tasks will be merged, consolidating any comments, attachments, and details into one unified task. And there you have it. You've successfully merged tasks in Asana. Remember, this feature is a great way to enhance productivity by reducing clutter and duplication in your task list. It allows you to focus more on what matters, getting things done. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more tips or tricks you'd like to learn about Asana, be sure to let us know in the comments below. Happy task managing!